Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to factory reset or hard reset your Motorola G Stylus from Boost Mobile, model number XT2115. Very easy steps to do, follow the instructions, you won't have any issues. First thing, you want to press the power key and power off the device. Now, if the phone is Google locked or it has a pattern, you want to press the volume up and the power key at the same time for about 5 to 10 seconds to force shut off the device. This device doesn't have any Google lock or pattern, so we're going to do the first step. Press the power key, power off the device. There are two buttons you would need to perform the factory reset once the device is completely shut off. So you want to press the volume down key and the power key at the same time, or you can press the volume down, then press the power. Once the device comes on, you'll get to this screen right here. You want to press the volume down key to navigate to where it says recovery mode, then press the power key to confirm that option. You will get to a no command screen, then I will show you what to do next. Once you get to the screen right here, you want to press and hold the power key, then press the volume up key. You will get to this menu. Then you want to scroll down all the way to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then press the power key to confirm. Scroll down to the second option, Factory Data Reset. Press the power key. Then it's going to start wiping everything off the device. Once that is done, you can either restart your device, or you can go ahead and scroll down to where it says Power Off, all the way at the bottom option. Once you scroll all the way down, you can go ahead and press the power key to confirm that option. Then it's going to power off. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more. And thank you guys for your support. And I'll see you next time.